Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make some of my leaves which accompany my flowers. So for that you require glue, your tweezers, some strips of paper and your quilling tool. So let's begin. So if you've already seen some of my earlier videos, you've seen how I roll my strips of paper. So what I've done is I've rolled these two sets. So we'll start with these. Now what we do is we adjust and we align. Like so. Press it down and make it into a half moon. Do the same thing for this one too. Now what we do is we hold one side over here and press like so on the other side. So it's a little wide, so what we'll do is we push it on this side and press it down. Much better. A little narrower. Same thing for the other one. Another style is make an eye shape and twist like so. Now what we'll do is you can use them separately like this on your leaves. You could do something like this, just cover it up with a strip of paper and this is what you get. For this one, this is what I've done, a smaller version. For these, this is what I've done. Stacking all of them together with one simple eye form, and this is how it looks. I've just made them a little smaller. Now what I'm showing right now is we're putting all these three together. So let's work on that. So what we'll do is I have a dark green strip of paper which I've stuck in half, okay, and made it a little more stiffer. Now what we'll do is we'll apply glue over here, working from the center to the sides. Like so. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay, now what we do is we take this is our centerpiece, so you put it over here like this and bring these two sides together and stick it. Like so. This is how it's going to look. Keep on pressing it in so that it sticks properly. Now what we'll do is we'll put these together like so and like so, like this, and it brings all of these leaves together and creates one big leaf. So now the reason we put this was so that these leaves have something to stick on and doesn't get wobbly. So you just start sticking these. Now what we'll do is I've stuck this brown strip of paper in exactly the same way. I've just halved it and stuck it together, and we're going to cover this up entirely like this. You can flatten it out over here to keep it blunt, or you can pull it like this to make it a little pointy. It's your decision. It's easier to put it down and stick like this. Just put pressure on it, and this is what you've got. Looks really cool. Now I've got another one over here in the same style, but this is with the heart, and I'll just show you how I use them with my flowers. While it's still wet, you can curve it like this. Kinda cute, if I do say so myself, and really pretty. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.